Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your Huawei phone has a supported browser and you are signed into your Google account. Once done, open Meet. Google, in that browser and tap Join or Start a Meeting. You will be asked to allow the site to use your microphone and camera. Grant those permissions so audio and video work. Make sure cookies and site data are enabled because Meet stores settings. Without them, the session may fail or ask repeatedly. Once in the meeting, you control audio, video, and participants from the toolbar. Tap Mute or Camera to change your presence. To present, open the browser menu and pick Screen Share or Share Screen. Then confirm whether to share the full screen or an app window. You can switch front to rear camera for different views, change the video layout for more participants, and enable captions if you need live text. These steps let you run a complete meeting without Google Play services. To end the meeting, tap the red Hang Up button and confirm any save or chat needs. You can add a shortcut to your home screen for faster launches next time. If something goes wrong, like no mic or camera, open browser settings, check site permissions for microphone and camera, clear the browser cache, and reload Meet. Google. If needed, enable desktop site to access full controls. And finally, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or cellular connection if audio or video quality suffers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.